Hello friends, relax, sit back and listen to our math class. Today we are going to learn exponents and powers. Okay, this is what the definition. For example, 5 to the power of 4. This 5 to the power of 4 means this 5 can be written in 4 times. We are writing this 5 4 times. Okay, this is what expressed in this way. 5 to the power of 4. 5 to the power of 4. Okay, here this 5 is base and this 4 is exponent or index or power. Okay. So 5 is base, this 4 can be called as exponent or index or power. So the meaning of this is, this 5 can be written as 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. That means this 5 is raised 4 times. This 5 is written 4 times. Okay. So 5 into 5, 25. Again 5 into 5, 25. 25 into 25, 625. So this 625 we are writing as 5 to the power of 4. Okay. So the formal definition is, if a is any integer, then a into a into a into a. That means n times. We are expressing this a. This a is an integer. We are expressing this a n times. So a to the power of n, where this a is the base and this n is the exponent or power or index. Okay, this is what the formal definition of exponents and powers. Okay, next we can see the laws related to this exponents and powers. Laws of exponents and powers. If a and b are any non-zero numbers and m comma n are natural numbers, then these laws can be applicable. A and b are non-zero numbers means you should not consider 0, you can consider integers. M and n are natural numbers means from 1 you should take. Okay, so these laws. First law is product rule. Here the concept is the base is same. Okay, the base is same and exponent value is different. So if the base is same and exponent value is different, and these powers are in product means, these powers are in multiplication means, then you can add the exponent. So again I am repeating, if the base is same and those bases are in product means, then you can add this exponent. Okay, for example 5 square into 5 cube. Here base is 5. These two are in multiplication and the exponent is 2 and 3. So base is same. So 5 into 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3, what you will get? 5. So 5 to the power of 5. Okay, this is known as product rule. Second one, quotient rule. Here a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n equal to a to the power of m minus n, where this m is greater than n. So this rule is known as quotient rule. Here two base is same and those bases are in division. Here exponent is different and you can subtract those exponents. For example 5 and given condition is m greater than n. That means this exponent, first exponent should be greater. So 5 to the power of 3 divided by 5 to the power of 1. Okay, so here base is same and those bases are in division. So you can subtract the exponents. So 5 cube divided by 5 to the power of 1. So 5, 3 minus 1, 5 square. 5 square. This is what your answer is. This rule is known as quotient rule. Okay. Next, third rule is power rule. Power rule means base is a to the power of m into whole to the power of n equal to a to the power of mn. a to the power of n whole to the power of n equal to a to the power of mn. That means base is a, and there are two exponents. Those two exponents are in multiplication, so you can multiply. You can multiply these two powers. This is known as power rule. For example, 5 whole to the power of 5 to the power of 3 whole to the power of 3 means 5 to the power of 2 whole to the power of 3 means here base is 5. So write as it is. Next, these two are in multiplication because these two are exponents which are in multiplication because here bracket is there. So 2 3s are 6. So your answer is 5 to the power of 6. This is what power rule. Okay, this a into b whole to the power of m equal to a to the power of m into b to the power of m. For example, a equal to 5, b equal to 3. Okay, so 5 into 3 whole to the power of 2. Here a is 5, b is 3 and m is 2. So this value equals to 5 square into 3 square. Let's check it now. 5 into 3, what you will get? 15. So 15 square is 225. Okay, so 5 square is 25. 3 square is 9. So 25 into 9, 225. Okay, so a into b whole to the power of m can be written as a to the power of m into b to the power of m. Next, final one is a divided by b whole to the power of m equal to a to the power of m divided by b to the power of m. Here 5 divided by 3 square means this can be written as 5 square by 3 square. Okay, because 5 divided by 3 means it will be coming in decimal, and if you square it, that value will be equal to this 25 by 9. Okay, so a by b whole to the power of m can be written as a to the power of m divided by b to the power of m. Okay, now we have learnt the basic definition of exponents and powers and the laws of exponents and powers. Thank you for watching.